Good morning, children. I welcome you all for today's online class. Previous week, we have discussed some concepts of grammar. Today, I would like to discuss some more important concepts of grammar. Articles are also very important for your exams. Please, I request you to note down all the examples which we are going to discuss. Okay, let's continue, children. So, what is article? What do you mean by article? An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. An article is used before a noun it is saying. Actually, an article says whenever it is a singular or a plural means there is definite article is used. For singular, the indefinite articles are used. But actually, to modify, to describe a noun, these articles are very important. In further examples, when we are going to discuss, by seeing those examples, you will get an idea, children. Let's see. See, there are two kinds of articles. One is definite article, and another one is indefinite article. What is definite article, children? Definite articles means to be clear, exact, or obvious about something. Means definitely you will be knowing that definitely this is the place of a noun. This is noun. Like for example, the cat sat on the couch, sat on the bench, or sat on the table. The cat, particularly, that only the mammal, the animal, is sitting on the table. The dog attacked me and ran away. Particularly, there is none other than this. Understood, children? It is called definite because it is used in relation to a particular thing. I was discussing this only. To a particular thing, to a particular person, this definite article is used. The is the definite article in English which is used to refer to particular nouns, the identities of which are known. The definite article indicates that noun is specific. For example, I have told some more examples like specific, the Himalayas, that is a particular. Then particular means Himalayas are the specific. The sun, the moon, the earth, even the place's name also. Australia, the Pacific Ocean. Understood? Now let's continue with the indefinite article. What do you mean by indefinite article? Something which is not clear, obvious, or exact. Yes. Which is not clear for us. Means which we will not be knowing. So, for those kinds of nouns, we are using indefinite article. It is called indefinite because the identity of a thing or a person being spoken about is left unclear. Yes, will not be having clear idea that this is the particular noun, this is the particular person, this is the particular thing. So, that time we are going to use indefinite article. Understood? It indicates that the noun is not someone or something in particular. The speaker talks about any one of that then type of things. The indefinite articles in English are a and an. For examples, do you have a pencil? Not particular pencil, not color pencil, not black or red. Specific, or not specific also. Uh, that means indefinite. It is called as. Understood? Then I want to have an apple, not green apple, not the cut apple, the apple which is cut in pieces. An apple, simple. Okay, let's have look on examples. We'll go with the indefinite article first, and when it is used. Let's study about this and then we'll study different kinds of examples. An is used only with countable singular nouns. This we are knowing very well. The articles are used with a singular thing only. When the nouns are plural, then only the definite article is used. Indefinite articles are used with singular nouns only. Those who start with the consonant letter have a tag at the beginning of the word. Yes, a article is used with consonants and the words which sound as consonant. And an is used with vowels, the words which are starting with the vowel word and which sounds as vowel. Okay. Then there are some examples here. I saw an accident of a car. Accident. Understood. That is an excellent pencil. Alex is training to be an engineer. I need a kilogram of salt. I want to be an engineer when I grow up, but my father wants me to be a doctor. Today, an inspector came to our school to visit. The man you saw there is an Englishman. I hope you have understood by these examples. Let's continue with the next examples. This article is the, that is definite article. We use the when we talk about a specific thing. Specific mean one and only one. Okay. There is none other than this thing, children. There is only one thing. That is the thing. And for that thing only, we are using the article. Like the prime minister, the president, then the rivers, then the oceans, then for example, the countries. Understood? See, for example, the Queen of England is coming to Toronto next year. There is only one queen, so it is used as the. Pass me the blue book. Why only blue book, children? Have a look on the picture. There is only one blue book, so it is called as the blue book. Specific, particular. Okay, let's continue. There are some incorrect and correct sentences. What are those incorrect sentences? Let's have a look. The game came to end. And means where an article comes here. See, when you look at these sentences, there are the words which are colored in red. And those colored words only you have to replace with article, particular article. Okay. Can you guess what comes in the first sentence? The game came to an end. Hope so. The correct answer. He is an honorable man. I want an historical atlas. She is an honest lady. Then she returned after an hour. He is an MA. Let's check the answers. See, the game came to an end. He is an honorable man. I want an historical means the sound which comes, oval sound. Then she is an honest lady. She returned after an hour. He is an MA. Okay. There is an exercise on articles here. Let's see what is that exercise. Fill in the blanks with appropriate article a, an, or the, or leave the space blank if no article is needed. What is the first example? See, you have to read the sentences, and if article is needed, then only you have to add article to that. Otherwise, no need of adding the article. Okay. I want an apple. Understood? Hope so. You have to try with me, children. Then the church on the corner is progressive. Miss Lin speaks Chinese. There is no need of article here. I borrowed a pencil from your pile of pencils and pens. Maybe the pencil also comes. We'll see. After checking the answers, we'll come to know. One of the students said the professor is late today. Ali likes to play volleyball. Let's see. What are the answers for this? These are the correct answers, children. I want an apple from that basket. The church, yes. An apple was correct. The church was also correct. Miss Lin speaks Chinese here. No article is needed. I borrowed a pencil. Yes, a pencil it is, not the pencil. Then the professor. Then here no article is needed. Okay, let's check some more examples. I bought an umbrella. Okay, my daughter is learning to play the violin at her school. Please give me the cake, that is, it seems. I lived on the main street. Albany is the capital of New York State. No article is needed here. My husband's family speaks Polish. Okay. An apple a day keeps doctor away. An ink in my pen is red. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. Let's check the answer, children. See, I bought an umbrella to go out. Yes. Why an is coming, why a is coming, you have to understand yourself. Why? I have cleared the rules before starting the concept. What are the rules? When an is used, when a is used, an is used with the ovals, the words which are starting with the ovals, or the words which pronounce, which the sound comes, the oval sound comes, an is used. And a is used with the consonants, the sound, if the word sounds consonant, then a is used. The particular noun, it is used. My daughter is playing learning to play the violin at her school. Please give me the cake, that is on the cake it is. I lived on Main Street when I first came to. On Main Street, the is not required here. Then Albany is the capital of New York City. No article is needed. My husband's family speaks Polish. An apple a day keeps doctor away. The ink in my pen is red. Our neighbors have a cat and a dog. Hope you have got an idea, children, by solving all these examples. Some more examples and exercises will be sent in your WhatsApp group. I request you to practice all these concepts very uh, keenly. Understood? You have to note these examples in your book and practice the exercises as much as possible. Understood? That's what today's session ends. Tomorrow I will come with another some more concepts of grammar. Your homework is you have to solve the worksheet which I will send in WhatsApp group, and you have to note down different kinds of examples and try to make your own examples also. Okay? Thank you.